Could have plus past participle is used to express a possibility in the past, but that has not happened, to make a criticism or to express a hypothesis. For example, you could have broken your arm. He could have tried once more. Your brother could have helped you. We were lucky we could have run out of petrol. Could also express unrealistic things. This place is amazing. I could stay here. Could allows you to ask for permission or something politely in the present. Could I please use your bathroom? Could we move on to the next topic now, please? Could you pass me the salt, please? I'm busy right now. Could you call back later?